Each star represents a missing operation. Work out what it is. First, the first one, that is 40 star 5 star 7 star 5 equal to 4. Okay. Now, here they are asking us to replace these symbols with an operation such that when we calculate this expression, after replacing these symbols, we should get the result to be 4. To get the result 4, we should replace this by division symbol, even this also by division symbol and this by subtraction symbol. Now this will change to 40 divided by 5 divided by 7 minus 5. Now let us calculate this. As per rule, first we should calculate the brackets, that is 40 divided by 5 divided by 7 minus 5, 2. Now here we have division, here also division. So we should start from the left side. That is 40 divided by 5, 8, divided by 2, which is 4. Here we should get 4, we got 4. So the operations we replaced these symbols by are correct. So this is our answer. Okay. Next. 9 star 15 star 3 star 2 equal to 12. Here they are asking us to replace these symbols with an operation such that when we calculate this expression, after replacing these symbols, we should get the result to be 12. To get the result 12, we should replace this symbol by plus and here this symbol by division and this symbol by plus. Now this will change to 9 plus 15 divided by 3 plus 2. Let us calculate this. First we should calculate the brackets, that is 9 plus 15 divided by 3 plus 2 is 5. Now here we have addition, here division. As per rule we should do division first. So we get 15 divided by 5 is 3. 9 plus 3 is 12. We should get 12, we got 12. So the operations we replaced these symbols by are correct. So this is our answer. Am I clear?